Hi, this short screencast is meant to demonstrate how to find Audacity download it and then install it on a Windows PC. Audacity is a little program that can be used to make podcasts. So that's the one I'm looking for, the stable version, 1.2.6. There's a Mac version if you've got a MacBook. There's the Windows version that I'm after on this. I'm running Windows XP on this computer that I'm doing this screencast on. The two downloads I'm going to do here are Audacity installer and also this lame encoder, which lets me export those files that I make in Audacity or record in Audacity into MP3s that can play on any computer or any digital audio device like an iPod, Samsung, LG, all the different major manufacturers make digital audio devices. So I've clicked on that. It says we'll start shortly. I'm impatient, so I'm going to hit this direct link. I could wait for that up there and see if it worked, but I've hit the problems with download. Hit this direct link, so I don't need to save it. I'm just going to run this. If you have a look at that coming through there, it's coming through fairly quickly. Very lucky here in Korea with the speed of the networks. So now we've got a little install wizard. I suggest you read this license agreement carefully. It explains what open source software is. It's free software if you use it on a personal computer. It's now saying that I'm going to download this, install it there, or accept that default. I don't need a desktop item, but I want to associate the project file so that if I do save a project file in Audacity, I can click on it later and then it will run the program needed. It now says it's finished. It didn't take very long, and now I can launch Audacity. So I'll minimize this window. There's Audacity running. I need to go back into the download window and just go back one page because I want to get this lame encoder. You'll see here it's a lame encoder. It says here it's a lame encoder for Audacity on Windows. So it's saying here that I should use something called Firefox or Opera. They're two different browsers. This one I'm using here is Internet Explorer, as you can see up the top here. It seems to be working okay. That's the program I'm looking at downloading. Let's try running that one. It's a little bit slower at coming down the out of cyberspace. It's only 400 kilobyte file, very tiny file, but it's a slow download link. I'll run that one. Very similar wizard to the other one. Again, read this agreement. This one's a shorter license agreement. Yeah, I'll install that where it says. That was very quick. So now I can come back to Google there if I want to. That's where I started. I've now got Audacity and I've got that other program running. So if I close this, I should now find it on my start menu. There it is there on my start menu. It's showing up in a different color at the moment because I haven't run that before from that menu. Done. I now have Audacity and I can save MP3 files.